Hello student. In last video we have seen that addition and subtraction of integer. Now in this video we will discuss the multiplication of integers. In the multiplication of integer we will see here some rules of multiplication. In the multiplication so first rule is the multiplication of positive integer with negative integer. In this rule we will see here example 6 into minus 2, that is minus 12, minus 4 into 5, that is minus 20. So above these two example, here we take one negative number and one positive number, so we will get the answer is negative. Means when you multiply one positive number with one negative number, the product will get negative. Okay, then second rule is multiplication of two negative integer. In here we will take two negative integer, minus 5 into minus 2, we get the answer is positive, that is 10. Here second problem, minus 4 into minus 6, that is answer get 24. Here we take two negative integer. When we take two negative integer, the product will get positive. Okay, what's the second rule? Two negative integer multiply each other, the product will get positive. Third multiplication of integer. Here multiplication of more than two negative integer. So here we take here minus 3, minus 2, minus 4. Three negative integer. First we multiply two negative integer. We know that the multiplication of two negative integer, product will get positive. So 3 into 2, that is positive 6, and multiply the third number minus 4. So 6 into minus 4, that is minus 24. When you multiply the three negative integer, so the product we will get negative. Okay, then multiply the four negative integer. So here we know that now 3 multiply of 3 negative integer is negative. So here also we take 3 negative integer multiply, so answer we will get negative, that is minus 4 into minus 6 is 24, and 24 into 2 48. That 48 multiplied by fourth number minus 3. So here minus plus 48 into 3. So answer is 144. So this is the positive number. So it means that when you multiply four negative integer, the answer we will get the positive. Okay. From above this example, we conclude that when we take two negative integer, two or more than negative integer, if we will take even number of integer, so that the product we will get positive. Even number we will get and multiply, so the product we will get positive, and when the odd number multiplied, so we will get the product is negative. Now we will see the some properties of multiplication. Here first is closure property. In closure property we will see here example 4 into minus 2, that is minus 8. Here minus 3 into 2, that is minus 6. Here minus 3 into minus 6, that is 18. 5 into 2, that is 10. From above this example we conclude that all the answers are integer, that it means that the integers are closed under the multiplication. Okay, Then now second property is that the commutative property. In commutative property, we will take here two integer that multiply that any order the product will get same. That means that is the commutative property. See the example here, 9 into 8 that is 72, 8 into 9 72. If you multiply 9 into 8 that is 72 and multiply in reverse order 8 into 9 that is also 72. Here another second properties, that is a commutative property. In commutative property, so here we take here example 9 into 8 that is 72 and this number reverse and multiply 8 into 9 that is 72. Another example, minus 4 into minus 3 that is minus 12. 3 into minus 4 that is minus 12. Here third example, both are negative. 7 into minus 5 that is positive 35 and reverse this number, minus 5 into minus 7 that is 35. From above these three examples, we conclude that when you multiply the number in any order, we will get the same answer, same result. So that is integers are commutative under the multiplication of integer. Now we will see the next property, that is associative property. In associative property, we will take here three integers. So here three integers have 4, 2 and minus 3. Here first we multiply second number and third number. So second and third number, 2 into minus 3 that is 6, and thus that product will multiply the first number, 4 into minus 6 that is 24. Or first we multiply first number and second number, that is 4 into 2 8, and the product will multiply the third number, minus 3. So 8 into 3 that is minus 24. In both the condition the answer will same. In both the condition answer will same. What is the answer? 4 into 2 into minus 3 equal to 4 into 2 into minus 3. In the both condition the answer will same. So that means integers are associative property for the multiplication of integer. Next, distributive property. In distributive property, here 9 into 7 plus 3. So first we solve 7 plus 3 that is 10. 10 into 9 90. Then other 9 into 7 plus 9 into 3. So here 9 into 7 first we solve, and into 3 63, and then plus 9 into 3 is 27. 63 plus 27 is 90. The answer will get same. That means 9 into 7, 9 into 3, otherwise 9, and the addition of two bracket, in both the condition answer is same. Here we take formula A into B plus C. So A distribute to B, that is A into B, and A distribute to C, that is A into C. This is the formula of distributive property. Distribute the number to bracket of any number. Then multiplicative identities. Here 1 into 99 that is 99. 78 into 1 minus 78. Minus 78 into 1 that is minus 78. 1 into 1 that is 1. 0 into 1 that is 0. From above this example we conclude that when we multiply to any number, we will get the same result. So 1 is the multiplicative identities for the integer. Here next, multiplicative inverse. In the multiplicative inverse, if the products is 1, that means the number are inverse to each other, and there is no multiplicative inverse for integer. So here 1 is only multiplicative inverse for the integer.